Hello, on the screen is a summary of what I will go over in this video. Make sure to watch to the end so you don't miss anything. Step 1. Open the ROBLOX app on your mobile device and log into your account with your username and password. Make sure you're connected to a stable internet connection before proceeding. Step 2. Once you're logged in, tap the menu icon, which is usually 3 horizontal lines in the bottom right corner of your screen. This will open the navigation menu where you can access your account settings. Step 3. Look for the settings option in the menu and tap it. You'll see various account options displayed here. Find the Profile or Account Settings section and select it to access your personal information. Step 4. Scroll down until you find the Username or Display Name option. This is where you can see your current ROBLOX username. Tap on this option to edit your name. Step 5. Enter your new desired username in the text field that appears. Keep in mind that ROBLOX has naming guidelines, so avoid special characters and inappropriate words. Once you've entered your new name, confirm the change by tapping the Save or Confirm button. That's it, you've successfully changed your ROBLOX username on mobile.